Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this shelf floor lamp for viewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. Let's see what comes inside. First we have the lampshade, okay, with the structure. In here we have the instruction manual with all the steps to assemble it. We got a light bulb, all the nuts, screws, bolts that we need to assemble it, which I think is great. This for the light, and all the pieces to assemble it, okay, which I think it's nice. All the pieces comes protected, albeit with a bag or even with foam, which I think it's great. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything and let's see how it looks and how it works, okay? Come on.
Okay, so as you can see, the assembly process is actually really easy. All the steps in the instruction manuals are really clear. And what I like about this lamp with shelves is that it has a solid metal structure, and the lampshade it's made of fabric and it's really easy to assemble, okay? And I think that once assembled up, it looks amazing, and it's nice because it can hold up to 50 pounds in each shelf, which is great. So you can save a lot of space. And it has a 3-color temperature light bulb included, which I think it's great. You just have to pull the chain to change the temperature of the light bulb, which I think it's a really nice function. And overall, I like it a lot. I think it's perfect for home decoration, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.